everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1995 BMW 318 Ti. This casting is by Matchbox and was new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the BMW 318 Ti out of its box, and the first thing you will notice is it's finished in red. Looks nice, I think. So in the front, you've got nice details. You've got painted headlamp, painted grille, BMW badge, turn indicators, lower bumper finished in grey, and you also got both the mirrors and windshield wipers. So it looks really nice from the front, actually, especially for a mainline. And this is a 95-year release for the actual car, not for the Matchbox. And has that boxy shape it was going into 80s and 90s, and I think it looks nice. Now coming to the driver's side, you can see that boxy lines, everything continuing from the 80s and 90s, and this is a very unique shape. I don't think BMW has done a lot of cars like this. It is kind of coupe, kind of hatchback kind of design, so it's mix of that. On the side, wheels we have seen on so many different Matchbox throughout the years, and they don't look bad here. Also, you can see the door handle. It's a two-door, but you can see all the 4 seats. Back, the grey lower body trim continues. Now on the back, you can again see there's good details in the back. You've got painted tail lamps. You've got the 318 badge, and you also have BMW badge and number plate, which reads E36 Compact. That's a compact one. Interestingly, you also get a windshield wiper in the back and a single exhaust at the bottom. Coming to the passenger side, the only difference I can see is the fuel filler cap here. Didn't mention the turn indicator. You can see there it's not painted. It's there. On the top, you do have a sunroof, and the interior is finished in black, where you can see the seats and dashboard. So overall, I think it's really nice looking casting, and I'm really glad Matchbox does mainlines with such nice details. You don't have to go all the way to collector line. You can get nice ones in this line too. Should you get one? I think you should. It's a nicely detailed car, and it's a very unique BMW. You don't really see these anymore. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.